Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be unboxing something which, I've been pondering to buy. It's this one. It's from this brand, this company called MPOW. I'm not too sure if that's how you pronounce the name. MPOW. Alright, I've been very interested in their brand. And I came across this MPOW MDots true wireless earbuds, which was on discount a couple of days ago. So I decided to give it a shot. So here you see it says bass audio left right mono, which could actually means I could use it in single mode, or I can use both earbuds at the same time. It says it's waterproof. I need to see what's the IPX rating. The model number BH510A. Signals on the back. Over here it uses Bluetooth 5.0. Charging time is 2 hours for the battery case, I guess. Bass Plus, oh, Bass Plus, okay, it means it has enhanced bass, alright. Okay, nothing much. Top, bottom. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so that's all you get in the box. You get the USB-A to micro USB charging cable. It's a very short cable, as you can see here. Additional ear tips, you get the large one, the small one, and something surprising, it's the first time I see. These are actually ear wings, right? It's additional hooks to actually provide additional security within your ear, so that if you're doing those high intensity workout, your earbuds do not fall out from your ears. Interesting, first time I see this. Then you have a warranty card, you have a user manual, and then you have a quick operation guide. So this is what you get in the box. Right, so let's put all this aside. Right, so here first up is the charging case itself. I'll get a few comparisons in terms of the size. Alright, so here you see, here's a Tautronics. Here is the Redmi AirDots S. And then here is the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots 3. So here you can actually see a comparison in terms of the size. Put it here, 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 here. So you can see that probably the MPOW, it's almost the same size as the Xiaomi. The length is about the same. And then you flip it to the side, put it side by side. Right, it's slightly shorter. See the height. And then you put it next to this is the AirDots S. It's just slightly higher next to the Tautronics. This is the Tautronic Sound Liberty 77. Do a size comparison. Right, it's shorter along the edges. Yeah, right. Comparisons. Plastic feels very good, but it doesn't compare to the Redmi AirDots 3, which is a recently launched wireless earbud earlier this year. The MPOW feels a bit thinner, the plastic, whereas the AirDots 3 gives people like a thicker casing compared to the MPOW, okay, the MDots. Right, but generally it feels good, right? Matte finishing, as you can see here. And then there's a lip for you to actually open up the lid here, and then there's a LED light here. Micro USB port is at the back, and then at the top you see the brand here, which is like embossed onto it. Let's see if it scratches off. Nope, it survives my fingernail scratch test. Right, you can see here, not much. Okay, so let's open up. See, when I open up, the LED light comes on. Right, it's okay. Yeah. So the positioning of the earbuds is very similar to the AirDots 3. So you see here, they are vertical. Also, the AirDots S. See here, right? Or vertical. Right. Okay. So it's physical button. You can hear it. Physical tactile button. Right. Let's take out the earbuds. So it comes pre-installed with medium-sized ear tips, silicone ear tips, and this was the fin I was talking about. See this one? It actually makes it more secure in your ears. Of course, you can actually remove it. If you remove it, this is how it will look like. Right? So do a side-by-side comparison, as you can see here, with and without the wing tip. So along the edges, you will see that there's a groove here. This groove is actually for you to insert the wing tip. Right? The wing ring, I call it the wing ring because it goes around. Right? So let's install it. Let's put it back. It goes the other way. Not too sure. Okay. This way. Am I right? No. I got it wrong. Okay. So it's important that the L, you see here, there's a L indication, it is facing downwards, right, when you're installing it. And how to know that it's actually secure is that you will see that there's a groove here. Yep, it goes into the rubber, as you can see from here. Right, there's a groove here. Okay, yep. Yep, so it's facing the opposite direction. This should be the microphone. Right, and the ear tip. Let's remove the ear tip and see what is inside. Right, so it goes slightly in here, and then there's a protective metal mesh. Right, let's put it back. Very easy to put it back, nice. Okay. Yep. And then you see here, there's a green flashing LED light. This should be saying that it's actually in pairing mode. Okay, but let's remove it. The sticker here. Okay, let's see what happens when we plug in a USB charging cable. So I have with me here, it's a micro USB. Mine is a 3-in-1 micro USB cable here. So let's see what happens when I plug it in. Okay, so let me do it again because there were some changes in the first second. So here I'm gonna plug it in. Yeah. So you see that when you first plug in your micro USB cable, you see a red LED, a solid LED light, followed by a green LED light, and then it goes into a white flashing LED light. Right, so when it's flashing, it indicates that it's actually charging. Let's see what happens inside. No indication. Ah, there you go. Okay. Good. Alright. Nice. Alright, so let's pair the earbuds up and see what happens. Let's see how easy it is to actually pair the earbuds. Okay, I'm going to open up the case. You see a MPOW MDots. Tap on that. And it's connected. Indicate battery life is 80%. You can use high quality, which is AAC. Okay. Now don't wear it first. I'm gonna try and see the connection. Right. Okay. So let's see. One tap. Play. On the left, pause. That's 3 on the right. One tap, play. One tap, pause. Right, so we go into the next one. Double tap. Previous track. Okay, nice. So double tap. On the left is previous track. Let's try on the right. Next track. Nice. Let's go with the next one, which is triple tap. It activates voice assistance on the left. Try the right one. Also, nice. Right, the next one we're going to try is whether it has volume up and volume down. We're going to press and hold on the left. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, press and hold, the volume is going down. Let's go on the right. Press and hold, the volume going up. Nice. Okay, so these are the basic controls. Now I'm going to be listening to some of the audio tracks. Let's go to YouTube Music. Right. Audio is good actually. Vocals are very clear. Bass is very good. Yeah, I'll test it out over the next few days to see what other users it has. Alright, and do check it out. And that's all we have. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.